Hi and welcome to Electrical Engineering Planet with you, Engineer Ahmed Mustafa. And in this video, we will learn exactly how this light traffic works as an electrical circuit. We can add this video to our classic control course. As you can see, I will show you exactly how to create this circuit, not on Automation Studio, but on practical manner. As you can see here, we have 3 lamps. This red lamp, which means stop, not to move. And here in our example, it will work 20 seconds. So you have to stop your car 20 seconds. And then this yellow lamp, which will work as 5 seconds. This is a warning sign for the transition that will happen between red and green. And you have to be ready because we will move from the red sign to the green light. Green means you have to go. You can move your car and we will make it turn it on 20 seconds. After those 20 seconds, we will move back again to the yellow sign. Means you have to be warned, we are going to transition. We have a transition from the green to the red again, and so on. So this is an infinite loop. So we are moving from red, yellow, green, yellow, red, yellow, green, yellow, red. And this is an infinity loop. As you can see in Automation Studio, I have created this circuit. Let's simulate it. We are turning on the switch for the first time only. And as you can see, we have the red lamp. After 20 seconds, it will send a signal to the yellow one to be working. And after that, we have the green. After 20 seconds, we are returning back to the yellow and then to the red. As you can see, now we are in the yellow. And then we are getting back to the red. Then yellow, then green, then yellow, then red. This is an infinity loop. Let's learn how to create it. As you can see here, we have 4 timers. Those timers are on delay timers. And we illustrated before on the classic control course what is on delay timers. On delay means that all the auxiliary contacts of this timer, let's say T1 is here, normally close, and the other contact is normally open. They will still normally close and normally open until this timer count down to 0. So let's say that we are giving it here 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, it will send a signal here to open this normally close and close this normally open. So here we have 4 on delay timers, T1, T2, T3, and T4. We are giving them different values of seconds. Here I am giving this 20 seconds and this 25, after that 45 and then 50 seconds. Why? I will show you exactly why now. Now let's say that we are closing this switch for the first time only, and as you can see all the timers will start counting down. And as you can see we are using here line and neutral 220 volt. So the voltage of this coil, this is the coil of the timer, A1 and A2. The rated voltage of this coil must be 220 volt. If we are using, for example, 24 volt DC, so we have to change this source. It will be 24 volt DC. Here, those are the 3 lamps. And those lamps are working on line and the neutral. So we have unified the power sources here. This is the red lamp, L1, L2 is the yellow lamp, and then L3 is the green lamp. Now let's simulate or track our circuit. This T1 will start countdown, 19, 18, 17, and at this time T2 will start countdown also, 24, 23, 22, T3 will be 44, 43, 42, and so on. T4 at the same time will be 49, 48, 47, and so on. Until this 20 seconds will reach to 0 second. At this time, this will be 5 seconds, and this one will be 25 seconds, and this one will be 30 seconds. The only one that reached to 0 is T1. So it will send a signal to open the normally closed contact and close the normally open contact. The red lamp was working for 20 seconds until this one reached to 0. When it reached to 0, it have opened this T1 and closed the normally open T1. So now, this yellow lamp is working because the current is moving through T1 to T2 to L2. After another 5 seconds, this will be 0, and this will be 20, and this one will be 25. So T2 now is working, so it will send a signal to open this normally close T2 and we'll close this normally open T2. Now, this yellow lamp will stop working after 5 seconds, and this L3, which is the green lamp, will start working. Now T2 is closed, T3 is closed already, and L3 now is working. L1 and L2 is not working. After another 20 seconds, this one will be 0 again, and this one will equal to 5. So T3 now is on the spot. It will send a signal to open T3 here, so this lamp will stop working, and close this T3, which is in parallel with T2. So now the current will move from T1 to T3 to L2. Now L2 is working again for 5 seconds as a warning. Now we have to turn on this red light for 20 seconds again. What we will do now? We will make a reset, a factory reset for all those timers. So to start from the beginning, how to make those 4 timers get reset again? Let's put here a normally closed contact from T4. So we will put normally closed contact from T4. When T4 reaches to 0 now, it will send a signal to open this. So all those timers will get reset and have the 20 seconds again, 25, 45, 50 seconds, and all the contacts will return back to its normal state. So now, when we get back to our normal state, the red one will be turning on again because we have returned to our state. Now our red lamp is turned on again, and they will start to count down again to start the loop from the beginning. We will wait 20 seconds as red, and then we will send a signal to close this yellow one. L2 will start to work because T1 is on. After 5 another seconds, T2 will start working, which will give a signal to L3. And after another 20 seconds, we will return back to L2. And after another 5 seconds, T4 will work and create what? Create a factory reset here. This is T4. So we will return back from the beginning again. So this is an infinite loop. In the next video, we will learn how to create another circuit, which is the corridor lighting system. After that, we will create the 2 circuits on Automation Studio. Consider subscribing to Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Thanks for watching.